Chandigarh, luxurious, the city beautiful. Once counted as a slow-paced, sleepy town, slowly picked up its pace and became a vibrant city. It became a hub for education, health, and modern living, attracting many people to make it their permanent home. A quest which resulted into mushrooming of many satellite towns, and that changed the horizon of this city. A city which used to be agog with activity round the clock has suddenly become silent. This pandemic situation, which at present is undoubtedly a painful phase, has impacted the lives of its inhabitants by limiting their activities indoor. But on introspection, one would find that this lockdown period has unveiled the importance of simple, sustainable, happy and healthy life, and it teaches us to go back to basics and reaffirm our faith in universal brotherhood. The city which used to be full of hustle and bustle now looks calm, quiet, serene, with a feel of tranquility. The city has many admirable monuments which the residents feel proud of. There are some architectural marvels which are magnificent, which have unique designing characteristics. The Capitol Complex, which was enlisted in UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the year 2016, comprises legislative assemblies, secretariats and High Court of Punjab and Haryana. This area of about 100 acres represents the artistic expression of modern architectural design of Chandigarh. Each one of these structures is marvelous and has their own story to tell. The open hand, geometric hill and the Tower of Shadows are the exceptionally interesting monuments which are part of this complex. Chandigarh is truly a city of gardens, termed as the lungs of the city, a continuum of thematic gardens. Takes care of the body and spirit of Chandigarh, where one can find nature at its best. Rose Garden needs a special mention as a popular landmark of the city beautiful. It hosts about 50,000 plants of 1,600 species of roses and is the biggest such garden in Asia. Other than the gardens and green belts, Chandigarh has beautifully landscaped roundabouts. An outsider entering the city for the first time is overwhelmed by the welcome one receives everywhere in the city, being surrounded by the beauty and freshness of nature. Without mentioning Sukna Lake, the story of Chandigarh remains incomplete. This 3 square kilometer rain-fed lake was created in 1958 by the damming the Sukna Cho, a seasonal stream flowing from the Shivalik hills. Chandigarh is blessed with its amazing forest cover, which is beyond imagination. Sukna Wildlife Sanctuary, spreading over an area of 2,600 hectares, is in the northeast of Sukna Lake. The spot is truly a jungle area within the city. A large area of natural forest is intact and preserved. One can have an opportunity of nature walk to enjoy real flair of freshness. The world-famous rock garden at Chandigarh is another unique milestone and landmark of the city beautiful. The hallmark of this monument is that the creator of this garden, Mr. Nek Chand, an ordinary government official, conceived and secretly kept on creating it bit by bit. The present-day Punjab University traces its roots to the University of the Punjab, established in the year 1882 at Lahore. The campus was relocated to Chandigarh in 1956 and is a popular destination for quality education. The Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh, was conceptualized in the year 1960 as a center of excellence for medical education and research. Nehru Hospital, a part of it, facilitates the medical services to the region. The Punjab Engineering College, another bright spot on Chandigarh's academic map, is a distinctive institute which was originally founded in 1921 and moved to its present location in the year 1953. The Chandigarh Golf Club came into existence in 1962, making the city a truly fulfilling tourist destination. The 18-hole CGC has world-class golfing facilities with vast fairways, a magnificent look that is not less than any dream sequence. Chandigarh is always in the quest of adopting latest technology. The IT Park is a sleek, modern complex serving as a cradle for information technology and innovation. This park, with ultra-modern architecture, is a classic addition to the topography of this city. Chandigarh is a favorite destination for visitors. The city is dotted with a large number of 3 to 5-star facilities for everyone. Movement is an essential part of life, and Chandigarh does have 2 well-designed interstate bus terminals, which are strategically located to avoid any traffic pressure on the city's internal roads. The Delhi-Ambala Kalka line saw the first train on its tracks in the year 1891, which passed through the existing location of Chandigarh railway station. The station is now equipped with standardized modern facilities. The station is exceptional in the sense that it serves as a transit point for the historic toy train to Queen of Hills, Shimla. The museums are dedicated to art, science, and city's architecture. Government Museum and Art Gallery, which saw the light of the day in the year 1968, is a premier museum of North India which lets one admire the magnificent artwork of eminent artists. Lokobutia Center, a historic building dedicated to its planner, was an onset platform from where the city started getting its shape. Tagore Theatre, an epic center for culture and performing arts, is a place where one can unwind and enjoy performances. Chandigarh is not merely a city of structures of concrete. It hosts a lot of activities which infuse cultural life to it. The city centre, defined as the heart of Chandigarh, is considered a paradise for pedestrians and shopping lovers. The plaza in Sector 17 is the ultimate destination for fun lovers. The city centre houses numerous places of attraction. Central State Library, National Gallery of Portraits, and many government offices are part of it. The fruit, vegetable, and grain market is definitely the lifeline for residents, as it is a major source to procure the essentials. The area is taking a new avatar for its hygiene and management. A well-planned industrial hub till now, which was a mix of small and medium-scale non-polluting industry, is making many changes in its structural development. The area is now open to many more commercial activities to cater to the current needs. The city, primarily depicted as a home for office goers, has not taken much time to shed this tag, and the inhabitants are glorifying the city through active participation in sports activities. The facilities are at its best in these stadiums and sports complexes. Parade ground is the center for exhibitions and trade fairs, a pivotal point for gatherings, shows, and public functions. The city is silent. The city is in shock, where motion of life is on hold. The citizens have caught the real pulse of this pandemic and understood that these situations arise only when humans start tampering with nature's cycle without realizing its consequences. The city will overcome this difficult time sooner than later and forget this hard phase as a bad dream. Life will start afresh. Moods will be enlivened like a phoenix from the ashes, remembering only the moments which were spent with the loved ones. The moments which were spent for humanity. Standing tall on the belief of humanity. The city leaves religion and politics far behind. When the day sinks into darkness, it never means the end of everything. It only heralds another new bright day.